Discover why solitude is not your enemy but your most powerful ally in finding true happiness. This video will reveal how embracing alone time is the secret to unlocking a world of self-discovery, leading to deeper, more meaningful connections. Break free from the cycle of superficial relationships and learn how solitude can transform your life, making every moment richer and every relationship more fulfilling. Hi, I am Ethan Foster, and my mission here is to guide you from untruth to truth through different perspectives and old teachings. Let's explore together the extraordinary potential of being human. Within the intricate dance of life, we find ourselves oscillating between the realms of solitude and companionship. As we embark on brief journeys, the allure of solitude invites us to tread lightly, allowing us to navigate our path with ease and grace. Yet, as the path unfolds into a more complex and challenging expedition, the warmth of companionship beckons, promising a shared purpose and a united stride. However, amidst these reflections, a vital question emerges: who truly accompanies us on this profound odyssey of life? In this exploration, we encounter a profound truth. Not all companionships serve our journey positively. Some, though well-intentioned, may inadvertently weigh us down. This realization underscores a universal truth woven into the fabric of existence. We enter this world alone, and in solitude we shall return. Embracing this solitude, the art of finding peace in one's own company, emerges as a skill of unparalleled value. It is within these solitary moments that the true harmony of companionship blossoms. As beings endowed with a unique capacity to simply be, beyond the compulsions of action, our consciousness empowers us with discernment, setting us apart from creatures of mere instinct. Yet, when gathered, the dynamics of human interaction shift, and the tide of compulsive actions can sometimes overwhelm, obscuring individuality within the collective. The true essence of human potential is realized in our ability to embrace stillness, to contemplate, and to just be, a journey that is inherently individual, even as we stand united in our diversity. Each one of us is a masterpiece, intricately crafted from the experiences, beliefs, and aspirations that shape our identity. In solitude, we are the artists of our existence, painting the canvas of our lives with vibrant hues that reflect our deepest self. To understand the essence of being alone is to embark on a transformative path that leads to conscious evolution. In a world teeming with connections, the art of solitude may appear counterintuitive. Yet, it is within these moments of aloneness that we venture into the depths of our being, discovering the mirror that reflects our true essence. In the embrace of solitude, we find the wisdom to view life's panorama with newfound clarity. Amid the cacophony of the world, we often lose sight of our true purpose and direction. But in the stillness of being, the essence of life's journey becomes vividly clear. The skill of cherishing solitude not only enhances our understanding of togetherness, but also paves the way for a deeper connection with the self and the universe at large. Thus, as we navigate the ebb and flow of solitude and companionship, let us remember, in the grand tapestry of existence, it is the moments of aloneness that shape our identity, enrich our experiences, and guide us toward the luminous path of self-discovery and unity with the cosmos. The Symphony of Solitude. In the quiet embrace of solitude, we find ourselves in the company of our truest essence. Away from the cacophony of the world, solitude whispers to us the secrets of our own being, inviting us to dive deep into the ocean of self-reflection. It is in these moments of quiet introspection that we discover the fertile ground within, ready to nurture the seeds of profound understanding and compassion. By cultivating our inner garden with patience and love, we foster a connection with our innermost self, laying bare the essence that defines our humanity. Solitude is not a retreat from the world, but a gateway to the core of our existence, a pilgrimage to the sanctuary of our soul. It is an act of courage to face our own complexities and vulnerabilities, to unravel the tapestry of our thoughts, emotions, and desires. This journey of solitude is an exploration of the self, where every insight is a beacon guiding us towards clarity and realization. In the silent dialogue with our inner self, we uncover the rhythm of our own nature, learning to dance to the tunes of our deepest inclinations and aspirations. Solitude becomes the canvas on which we paint the hues of our true colors, discovering the patterns that guide our actions, the roots of our fears, and the wings of our dreams. Embracing solitude is to embrace the process of self-improvement, to lovingly sculpt ourselves into the masterpiece we are meant to be. It is here, in the crucible of solitude, that we are transformed, shedding the confines of the past to emerge anew, ready to soar into the boundless skies of possibility. In our fast-paced world, where solitude is often drowned out by the din of external demands, finding solace in our own company becomes an act of rebellion and bravery. It is a conscious choice to forge a sanctuary within, to revel in the present moment, and to discover the inexhaustible wellspring of wisdom that lies dormant within us. This wisdom teaches us that true growth sprouts not from the external adornments of our lives, but from the rich soil of our inner being. Solitude, thus, is not just a state of being alone, but a profound experience of reacquainting ourselves with our intrinsic nature. It is in these quiet moments of solitude that we rediscover the joy, love, and peace that are the hallmarks of our existence, reminding us that to be human is indeed a magnificent affair. Unveiling solitude, the journey. Within continuing our exploration into the essence of solitude and its transformative power, we recognize it as an art, a sacred practice that unveils our deepest layers and connects us to the very core of existence. In solitude, we are not merely alone. We are united with an infinite expanse that transcends time and space, touching the fabric of the universe itself. This journey inward is not a path of isolation, but a dance with the infinite, where the echo of our true self resonates with the vibrations of the cosmos. As we peel away the layers of our being, we encounter not loneliness, but a profound companionship within the silence of our own hearts. This is where the essence of yoga, in its truest form, becomes apparent. Yoga, deriving from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to unite or to join, guides us to the realization that we are not separate entities wandering alone, but are intricately woven into the tapestry of life itself. In the embrace of solitude, the mind, body, and spirit align, creating a symphony of peace and harmony within. This alignment is not a mere concept, but a living experience, a transformation that unfolds in the quietude of our inner world. It reminds us that joy, the very essence of our existence, is not a transient visitor, but can be a constant companion, illuminating our journey through life with its radiant presence. The tales of the four yogis, each representing a different path: gnana, knowledge; bhakti, devotion; karma, action; and kriya, energy, remind us that despite our diverse journeys, the destination is the same: unity. Their eventual convergence around the deity symbolizes that in unity we find the divine. In our togetherness, even when seemingly alone, we touch the sacred. Yoga then becomes not just a practice of physical postures, but a gateway to understanding the interconnectedness of all things. It teaches us that every breath, every movement, every thought is a step towards realizing our oneness with the universe. This profound union is the ultimate expression of being alive, a state where the boundaries between the self and the cosmos blur, and we become a living embodiment of the universe experiencing itself. In this sacred space of solitude, we learn that the essence of our being is not confined to the physical form, but is a part of a vast, cosmic dance. As we tune in to this dance, we discover that being human is not a limitation, but a doorway to the infinite, a chance to experience the magic of existence in its fullest. Thus, the journey of solitude is not a retreat from the world, but a deeper immersion into the very heart of life. It is in the silence of our own being that we hear the whispers of the cosmos, guiding us towards a realization that transcends words and definitions. Here, in the aloneness, we are truly never alone. We are a part of something much larger, a symphony of existence that sings with the voice of eternity. In embracing solitude, we embrace the universe. And in this embrace, we find not solitude, but a profound unity with all that is, a realization that we are the universe expressing itself as human for a little while. This realization is the greatest gift of solitude, the treasure that awaits us in the quiet of our own hearts, where we discover that we are not just a part of the universe, we are the universe. Embracing solitude, a pilgrimage within. In the profound silence of our solitude, we uncover a world not of isolation but of rich introspection, a journey that sails us across the ocean of self-awareness and into the heart of empathy. This solitude is not a mere absence of noise, but a sanctuary where the soul's whispers become audible, where our inner being gets a voice. It's in these quiet moments alone that we discover the essence of emotional intelligence, the bridge that spans the gap between our own depths and the vastness of others' experiences. This bridge, built of understanding and compassion, allows us to traverse the distance between our hearts and the hearts of those around us, creating a landscape of deep, meaningful connections. The power of solitude lies in its ability to refine our ability to listen, not only to our own hearts, but also to the voices of those around us. It's in the quiet that we learn to distinguish the noise from the symphony of life, to find harmony in the cacophony. Solitude serves as the canvas on which our relationships are drawn, offering the clarity to see which bonds nourish our souls and which ones hinder our growth. It teaches us the discernment to recognize when to draw closer and when to set boundaries, ensuring that our connections are ones that foster growth and well-being. As we navigate through the layers of solitude, we embark on a journey that is both an exploration and a homecoming. It is an odyssey that takes us into the uncharted territories of our inner landscapes, only to find that what we discover there has the power to illuminate the world around us. This exploration is not a retreat from the world, but a deeper engagement with it, armed with a newfound clarity and purpose. Solitude, then, is not just a state of being alone, but a pilgrimage to the core of our existence. It is here, in the quietude of our own company, that we uncover the profound truth that, to truly connect with others, we must first understand and embrace our own selves. This journey of self-discovery is not a path to isolation, but a passage to a deeper communion with the world. It is in the embrace of our solitude that we learn the art of true connection, connecting not out of need, but from a place of wholeness, not for validation, but for shared growth and joy. In the embrace of solitude, we find not loneliness, but a profound companionship with the self. this companionship becomes the foundation upon which all other relationships are built, a relationship with the self that is filled with love, understanding, and compassion. As we learn to cherish our own company, we become more capable of offering genuine love and support to others. We become a mirror reflecting the essence of true connection, illuminating the path for others to find their own way back to themselves. In conclusion, let this exploration of solitude be a reminder of the vast landscapes within us waiting to be discovered. May the journey into solitude not be seen as a departure from the world, but as a voyage towards a deeper engagement with it. Let us cherish these moments of solitude as sacred opportunities for growth and reflection, where the seeds of empathy and understanding are sown. And as we navigate this journey, may we find that the most profound connections are not just those we forge with others, but also the one we nurture within. If this message resonates with you, I invite you to share this journey of discovery with those you hold dear. Let's continue the conversation, sharing our insights and experiences in the embrace of solitude and connection. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. Take care and see you on the next journey of the soul.